let's create this bench in a Pro program. In this program, you can create any furniture you want easily and quickly. If you make furniture, I can create models and product drawings for you. The link is in the description. I've already opened the program. We are in the room and we should move to this corner. Now click on New Element and then click on the left wall. Double click on the element Dimensions. Width 40, depth 40 and height 650. Now I'm moving right and making a copy of this element. Ctrl D on your keyboard. Put it to the bottom and then double click to position. We need position to the back. 600 minus 40. And the height of this element is gonna be 500. Now we need another copy. Ctrl D, Ctrl R. We have to rotate this element x-axis, rotate twice and move it here. Then stretch it. And one more copy. Put it here. Double click depth minus 50. And click on this element, then hold down the shift, click on the vertical element and align top's y-axis. Maybe a little smaller, minus 30. Now hold down the shift and select all these elements. Ctrl D to make a copy, put it here. And another copy here. For these elements, double click position to the left 1800 minus 40. Click on this element, position minus 40 to the bottom. And this element dimensions, height minus 42. Now we need horizontal elements here. Select this element and make a copy, then rotate it. Put it here, align top's y-axis, stretch this element and stretch this. Done. In Pro, you can create absolutely any furniture, including kitchens, wardrobes and loft furniture. The program also makes it easy to create design projects like this. In my course, I provide step-by-step training on how to design any furniture and entire rooms. From scratch, under my guidance, you will learn how to work in the Pro program. We will also learn how to create product drawings, cutting lists, specifications and estimates, as well as beautiful and presentable image. More details about the course can be found via the link in the description. And one more copy of this element. Align tops again. Put it somewhere. I'm putting it here. And then click on this element and align back's z-axis. And one more copy of this element and align front's z-axis. And we can stretch this element like this. And now let's add wooden elements. Create a new element on the floor. Hold down the shift, click on this element, align tops. Then move it and stretch it. And stretch like this. Double click, dimensions, depth. And make 6 copies. Everything is ready. We only need materials. Select all, double click, material, change. OK. And select these wooden elements. Double click materials change. OK. Click contours to turn it off. This is our bench. If you need help with installing the program, the link is in the description.